Here is how to boost weight loss naturally and safe with water. It is a fact that water is essential for our life. By drinking enough fluids, you will be able to maintain a good condition of your overall health. The human body consists of 70% water, so the hydration is more than required. Usually, we lose water through urine, perspiration, bowel movements, and breath. So, this is the main reason why we should replenish this water with food and drinks, so we can maintain the proper function of our body. Besides being very beneficial in the process of losing the excessive weight, water offers a number of other health benefits, and some of them include: relieves fatigue, increases energy, promotes weight loss, eliminates toxins, boosts the immune system, improves skin health, improves mood, improves kidney function, prevents cramps and sprains, treats headaches, maintains regularity. Water has the ability to increase the metabolic process and help to burn the calories faster. It can also act as appetite suppressant, which means that by drinking plenty of water, you will be able to lose the excess weight faster. Tips how you can drink more water. In order to reduce your appetite, drink a glass of water before every meal. Drink a glass of water as the first thing in the morning. Always have a bottle of water with you and drink it during the day. Drinking ice-cold water will boost your metabolism because your body will work harder in order to warm the water up. To improve the calories burning, add some flavors in your water like limes or lemons. Make sure to drink at least 8 glasses of water on a daily basis. Try to eat more vegetables and fruits that will hydrate your body. Drink lemon juice or tea during the day.